Meaning of exaction.
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 Exaction. Exaction refers to the act of demanding or imposing something, such as a requirement or tribute. The result of an exaction can be the collection of payment or compliance with a particular request or demand. Exactions can be made by someone in a position of authority or power, and they may be enforced through penalties or consequences. This term is often used in legal or political contexts to describe actions taken by governments or officials to enforce laws or regulations. The word implies a level of severity or intensity in the demand or expectation being placed on the individual or group affected.